Good evening. Guess what? Thank you for all the love and support on this series. The comment section has been wonderful across all the videos. I love your guys' ideas, and because of this, because of you, today's video is going to be another request. What if Jafar were a princess and Genie were evil? As I break the lamp. Genie were evil. Now, technically, I probably should have lined this up with the premiere of the new Aladdin movie, but you know what? We're not YouTubering today. We're just painting. We're chilling. We're having fun. We're doing what we should be worrying about, which is creating characters. Halloween all year round. Welcome to MadeULook. Also, I've said this in the last 5 videos, but welcome to anybody that is brand new to this channel. You're absolutely gonna love us. You're gonna love the comment section. Hopefully you love the videos, and if you're not a part of this channel and you would like to subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Leading me to also say, all of the products I use today will be listed somewhere around the video. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn your little notification bell on. Get notified when a new video comes out. Come hang out with us. Also, leave your what ifs in the comment section below, although I do believe that next week I might possibly do an idea of my own, which is also unrelated to princesses. Wait, is she considered a princess? I'll get back to you. And you know, also I technically probably don't need to take my t-shirt off for this because we're gonna be looking beautiful and lovely. Actually, we're not gonna look lovely. I think we're gonna give ourselves an attitude because I don't think that if Jafar were a princess, I don't think he would care that he's a princess, okay? I think that Jafar would still be sassy and would still have an attitude. To begin turning ourselves into a princess version of Jafar, I'm first going to apply eye primer to my eyelids. This is to avoid making my eyebrows a certain color that they may or may not be. Oh, we're gonna. Also, I apologize if my nails are a little gross on camera. I do have paint underneath them because I've been working a lot on my clothing line lately, and I do hand painted items on there, and that's what I've been doing as of recent. Not a shock, really. I'm first going to apply a shimmery white eyeshadow right underneath my brow. Overall, this will be our color to help blend our other colors together. I'm also applying it a little bit on my inner corner. Because Jafar is mainly red and black, we're going to be sticking with that color palette of red and black. And because I just know the red is going to be so vibrant, I'm first going to lay down a violet gray, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease. If it gets a little kind of everywhere, it's alright. I also do want to keep Jafar still very angular, so I am going to be using a second object as soon as I find one, such as an eyeliner, and I'm going to line it up with my lower lash line and continue it upwards to get a cat eye shape. Now that we have a little bit of a darker base laid down, even though the color's still gonna be very vibrant, it's very pigmented, I'm going to go in using red eyeshadow and just apply it right over there. I feel like I am flying through this eyeshadow. I'm then going to be using black eyeshadow and patting it on my lids. Also, I'm not really currently worried about the fallout underneath my eyes. We'll get it later. I'm then going to take the same black eyeshadow and apply it right underneath my eye. Using black eyeliner, I'm then going to use liquid liner to line the top of my lids and pencil liner to line my water line. Mascara and clean up underneath your eyes using a little bit of foundation or concealer, your choice. Now here's something you will not be expecting. We are going to make our eyebrows red and black. Sticking with the color scheme of red and black, I do want to do a nice fade in my eyebrows, which I thought of a little bit earlier in this video. So to fill in my eyebrows, I'm first going to fill them in using red body paint and then fill them in using black body paint. To keep in line with the other princesses that we've encountered, I'm also going to apply a dark red lip. At the same time, with the Jafar color scheme, I think I might make the edges of my lips black. Because I feel like this is reading still a little bit too much Harley Quinn and not so much Jafar, I'm gonna go back in and add some gold eyeliner. I have no idea why I said it, like gold eyeliner. Whatever. I'm then going to apply a very neutral blush and add on some fake lashes. Now don't get me wrong, I am pleased to show you what I believe Jafar may look like if he were a princess. But knowing me, I myself, personally, just a little bit, kind of very small amount, I am anxious to show you what Genie might look like if he were evil. You know what, I guess technically we did make Jafar maybe a little bit evil because he is sassy. Maybe he's evil. Maybe he's good and sassy. Maybe he's evil and sassy. It's up for your interpretation. For the look of Genie, I already know I have to go take off my foundation, so I'll be back. Which, I don't know why I and other YouTubers say, I'll be right back. Because by the time the video's cut, I'm back already. Now, I'm a little bit nervous what I'll be doing for Genie because I have no idea what I'm doing. That's a lie. I have a little bit of an idea of what I'm gonna do, but I don't have a backstory for him like I have my other characters. Other than instead of helping people that get him out of his lamp, he viciously attacks them and drags them back into his lamp. So he's rude because he's evil. He doesn't need a motive. Now you're gonna have to bear with me on this because I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna find out together. I've got a bald cap, some ears, okay? We're on a good track. The plan right now is that I'm going to put this bald cap on my head and I'm gonna cut a hole in this for my ponytail and I'm gonna pull my ponytail through the top. Also, when working with prosthetics, working with bald caps, this, that, and the other, I have no foundation on my face whatsoever. I just have a clean face. Alrighty. Lovely. And now I'm just gonna mark that I want my ponytail to come through like right there. Lovely. Eyebrows looking nice and Botox. Just gonna cut this little circle out. I don't have that much hair to be honest. I'm thinking honestly that's gonna be good enough for me. Ah yes, we look so much like Genie already. Bald cap's not perfect, that's okay, we'll get over it. Now I'm just going to cut the sides into my ears and then not into my ears. I'm gonna cut the sides to fit my ears and glue everything down using Pros-Aid. Now that we have that glued down, which I just tied in the back since we're really only gonna be viewing it from the front, putting a full bald cap on yourself can be very difficult. Doable, but difficult. I also put my hair up in a bun, that way it wouldn't be flopping into my eyeball. Using a washable glue stick, keyword being washable, I am going to then cover up my eyebrows. Then just applying a little bit of concealer on top of that once both eyebrows are clear. Once again, using Pros-Aid, I'm going to apply my Genie ears. Technically they're big elf ears, but whatever you want to make them into for whatever character you're creating, that's what you do. I'm just going to stick them on. Now there's really no reason for this whatsoever, but I always like to have a base of foundation down on my face before I put any body paint on, so that's what I'm gonna do. I look like a Teletubby. Using blue body paint, I'm then going to paint myself blue. By the way, there are many blues that you can use in the whole entire land of body paint. The one that I'm choosing to use for this has a tendency to stain for about a day, so this should be fun. I am going to be using a MAC Chroma Cake, but you guys can also use Graftobian or Mayron. I just like this blue in particular because it's very blue. Fun story, when I was in school for skincare, I actually painted a girl as an avatar, and the next day she still had blue in her pores for a solid 3 days with this blue. White it makes your teeth. I love this color. Good thing I love it too, because I'll probably be this color for 3 days. Disclaimer, I'm not gonna be fully this blue, but it does leave a little bit of a tint. I'm just gonna be blue raspberry flavored Lex. Before we put our eyeshadow on and our eye primer, I'm going to paint on my eyebrows. I'm not gonna give any spoilers away of what color they're gonna be, but they're gonna be black. Just because I'm a little bit nervous, I'm first going to apply some dark blue eyeshadow to outline where my eyebrows are going to go, then I'm going to go over it in black body paint. If you're feeling pretty confident and you're just like, yo, I wanna go for it, go ahead and just use black body paint. You don't need to use the blue shadow first. And I know you are so impressed right now. You're like, wow, I knew you were going with black angry eyebrows. I didn't know you were going that angry. To be fair, they're more like a mischievous angry. They're not so much just like a grr. We are technically absorbing people's souls into our lamp, but at the same time, we're a genie and we're playful, so it's like, am I gonna absorb your soul into the lamp? Am I not? Am I gonna grant you a wish? Probably not. Then going to apply eye primer, blue eyeshadow, and black eyeshadow to my lids and this whole lid area. I'm actually first going to apply some white eyeshadow underneath my new brow bone. And then going to apply a blue shadow underneath that and blend it into black. I also want to make sure I keep my inner corners nice and dark to give it more of an evil feeling effect. And if your eyeshadow hates the existence of your eyebrow being covered with that glue, you could always use a little bit of body paint with hardly any water on it. Using black eyeshadow, I'm also going to outline right underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to line my eyes. Using blue eyeshadow, I'm then going to add in some crow's feet, some angry expression in here. And yes, it does help to make faces at yourself. I'm then going to just continue shading around my body. I'm also gonna mix together a little bit of blue body paint and black just to darken up around my body and on my noggin a little bit. I also decided I did want to hollow out my temples, which I am using eyeshadow. I am also going to add some shading to my ears. Now I definitely know that I do want to give myself pointed teeth. You could use dentures, but I'm going to prefer to paint my teeth using an alcohol-based makeup palette. In order to apply this makeup, you need to make sure your teeth are first very, very dry. Before you close your mouth, you want to make sure that both sets of teeth are dry from the paint. Which shouldn't take very long. I'm then going to go pop my contacts in, spray my hair black with hairspray. Let me know in the comments section what your wish is for the next What If.